How to use psyllium husk to get the most out of it. Psyllium husk can be used in various forms, including whole husks, powder, and supplements. The choice between psyllium husk powder and whole psyllium husk depends on your personal needs and preferences. Here's a breakdown of each form of psyllium husk. 1. Whole psyllium husk. When exploring the world of psyllium husk, one encounters different forms, and whole psyllium husk stands out as the most fundamental variant. Easily accessible at grocery stores and health food outlets, this raw and unprocessed form offers versatility in consumption. Whole psyllium husk can be seamlessly integrated into daily routines. Whether mixed with water, juice, or smoothies, or sprinkled over cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal, incorporating this unprocessed version into your diet is flexible and convenient. Moreover, in the realm of baking, whole psyllium husks serve as a natural thickener and contribute to the texture of gluten-free bread. However, it's worth noting that they may require grinding before use, adding a touch of intricacy to their application in various culinary endeavors. 2. Psyllium husk powder. Transforming whole psyllium husk into a finely ground powder results in psyllium husk powder. This processed variant offers enhanced solubility, ensuring easy dissolution in liquids. The convenience of incorporating it into daily routines is further amplified as it effortlessly mixes with water, juice, or smoothies. Beyond its versatility in beverages, psyllium husk powder proves to be a valuable addition to baking endeavors. Its fine texture makes it an ideal substitute for flour in keto and low-carb recipes, contributing to both the binding and thickening of mixtures. This adaptability extends its usage to various culinary creations, including cookies and muffins, showcasing its seamless integration into both beverages and baked goods. 3. Psyllium husk supplements. For those seeking utmost convenience, psyllium husk supplements present a hassle-free option. Encapsulating the benefits of psyllium husk, these supplements are available in the form of capsules or tablets, each containing measured amounts of psyllium husk powder. This prepackaged solution is perfect for individuals who prefer a straightforward approach, bypassing the need to mix psyllium husk with water or incorporate it into food. Embracing the simplicity of supplementation, this option ensures an easy integration of psyllium husk into your daily routine, offering the desired health benefits without the fuss. Great question. The best way of psyllium husk for you will depend on your individual preferences and needs. Whole psyllium husk is a good option if you want to add bulk to your diet and improve your digestion. Psyllium husk powder is a good option if you want to take psyllium husk on the go or if you have trouble swallowing tablets or capsules. Psyllium husk supplements are a good option if you want a convenient and mess-free way to take psyllium husk. Here are some tips on how to use psyllium husk so you can get the most out of it. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the amount you take as your body gets used to it. Drink plenty of water with psyllium husk to help it dissolve and pass through your digestive system. If you experience gas or bloating, try taking psyllium husk with food or reducing the amount you take. Timing. Some research suggests that taking psyllium husk before meals can help you feel fuller, which might aid in weight management. However, it's generally safe to take psyllium husk at any time of the day that fits your schedule. Dosage. The University of Michigan Health System reports that research and doctors use the following daily doses: constipation, 5g 1 to 2 times a day, diverticular disease, 7g, irritable bowel syndrome, 3.25g 3 times a day. Diabetes, 5.1g 3 times a day with meals, diarrhea, 9g to 30g, hemorrhoids, 7g 3 times a day, high triglycerides, 15g. Add to breakfast. Smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, and overnight oats are great vehicles for psyllium. Blend the powder in smoothly to avoid a gritty texture. Soaking oats in psyllium-infused water before cooking helps boost fiber content further. Bake into foods. Adding psyllium powder to muffins, breads, protein bars, or other baked goods can increase fiber content substantially without impacting texture or taste. Replace up to 10% of the flour in a recipe with psyllium powder. Thicken sauces or stews. Whisk a teaspoon into simmering sauces, gravies, or chili to thicken and add fiber. Ensure the psyllium is well incorporated to prevent clumping. Boost fiber in drinks. Blend into smoothies, protein shakes, juice, or even coffee for an extra fiber kick. Cool beverages may have a thicker consistency with added psyllium. Remember, these are general recommendations and may not be suitable for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice.